Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door handle on a GE microwave. First, always prioritize safety by unplugging your microwave from the wall outlet. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your brand new GE replacement handle. Find a clear, flat workspace, like a kitchen counter, to lay out your components. This ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's remove the inner door panel. Open the microwave door completely. You'll usually find several Phillips head screws securing the inner panel, often along the top edge or sides. Carefully remove all of these screws. Once the screws are out, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the inner panel away from the outer door, being mindful of any plastic clips that hold it in place. With the inner panel off, you'll see the old handle. It's typically held by 2 or 3 screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these, then carefully take off the old handle. Now, grab your new GE handle. Align its screw holes with the mounting points on the door. Insert and tighten the screws firmly, but don't over-tighten, to ensure the new handle is securely in place and ready for use. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the inner door panel back onto the outer door, making sure all the plastic clips snap securely. Reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier. Close the microwave door and give the new handle a gentle tug to confirm it's secure. Plug the microwave back in, and for a final check, try heating a cup of water for 30 seconds to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.